Okay, so one of the great things about AgentCraft is that it has a mobile app, which is optional. You don't have to use it. You can just use Slack or Microsoft Teams if you want. But the mobile app is fully featured and is a little bit easier to use. So let me show you how it works. So first of all, Craft appears straight within the mobile app itself. So here you have Craft, the marketing strategist, and I can ask it questions. I can talk to it about strategy. We've got some conversation tips at the bottom. Conversation starters to get things going. So anytime you want to discuss anything with Craft, there it is. The key to the whole app is the record functionality, which is very easy. Just hit record in the middle, and now you'll see I have baseball card style prompts, which I can swipe through. There's 15 different prompts. So this means that there's always something for me to talk about, because there's always a prompt here which takes my interest and is really easy for me to respond to. I look at it, I click share my take, I hit record, and I give a 40-second to 2-minute recording, and that is essentially where great content comes from, because it learns my tone of voice, it learns how I speak, and it extracts the insights from my content. It produces content optimized posts for multiple destinations, and it also extracts the key essence, what we call the atoms for the content bank, which builds up the strategic repository of content over time where great content can be created from. I've got some analytics as well, and then of course I have my content, and this also is really useful because I can see all of the content that's been scheduled across all of the different platforms from my team. I can see what's being published as well, and I can review content right here as well. And when I do review the content, this is also a great feature, because if I click on it, and I think it's great, I can just hit schedule and it'll automatically get scheduled and posted to my account. Or if I think it needs to be improved, I can hit the revise button, and this is so simple. Let's say, for example, this is good but not great, it needs a little bit of changing. All I do is I hit revise, and how do I revise it? I just hit another voice note. So I just hit record and I say, hey, this is great, but it could be more like this, or it's too much of an emphasis on competitors, change it back to this, etc., and it'll be automatically drafted by Craft and then reissued for my approval. So the whole process of creating content, tracking it, editing it, revising it, approving it, publishing it through multiple channels and platforms is so easy for you with the app and using AgentCraft.